Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to be working on a really hard geometry / trig problem. Don't want to reveal too much about it. Want to actually put you guys to the mathematical test today. So this question is definitely one that my students struggle with, everybody struggles with. It's a pretty hard question to initially realize what it is that they want and how to relate the sides and the angles and the proportions and all of that kind of jazz. So let's see if you guys are able to do it. So without further ado, let's jump into this question. So here it is, question number 30, the hardest multiple choice math question on each SAT exam. So here it is in all of its glory. So let's check out what is going on in this question. So they tell us in quadrilateral A, B, C, D above. So quadrilateral is just a fancy name for a four-sided figure. They tell us that AD, this bottom side right here, is parallel to BC. That's what those little two lines mean. And that CD is 1/2 AB. So CD, let's just write that down, is 1/2 AB. And then they ask us, what is the measure of angle B? So angle B, let's put this one in red because we know that this is the angle that we're looking for. So let's go ahead and put a question mark next to that to just indicate that that's what we're trying to do here. All right, so this question, there's a lot going on. So first and foremost, I think the easiest thing to do here would be to go ahead and split this into a square and a triangle. And I'm just going to call where this line that I made meets side AD. Let's just call that E. So this side right here is going to be BE. All right, so they tell us that CD is equal to 1/2 AB. But we know that what we have right here, BCDE, this is a square right here. So what that means then is that all of these sides are equal. So all of the sides here are equal to 1/2 AB. All right, just labeling that to be a little bit excessive, of course, but we're actually going to need that. You'll see in a second. So we know then that AB right here and BE is 1/2 of AB. And then they're asking us for the measure of angle B. Okay, so what I want to know is with special right triangles, we have to know what the relationship is of the sides. And this is all provided for you in the reference table at the beginning of both section 3 and section 4. So you'll have this information. You totally don't need to memorize it. You just got to know how to work with it. So we can see that when we're talking about a 30, 60, 90 special right triangle, this one right over here that I am highlighting in green, we can see very clearly that the side opposite a 30-degree angle corresponds with X, and that the side opposite 90, or the hypotenuse here, corresponds with 2X. So what that means then is that the side opposite 30 is 1/2 the hypotenuse. So that's exactly what we have going on then over here. So the side opposite 30 is equal to 1/2 of the hypotenuse. So that means that this angle right here, angle A, has got to be equal to 30 degrees. And then if this angle right here is 90, because this forms a right angle, then that means that this little part of the triangle here has got to be equal to 60 degrees. All right, so we got that that's equal to 60 by using what we know about special right triangles. And then we know that, let's do this in a different color, a lot going on here, in purple, that because this is a square right here, these two lines are going to meet at a 90-degree angle. So angle B then consists of two angles. It's a 60-degree angle and a 90-degree angle. And 90 plus 60 degrees is going to give us 150 degrees total. So that is choice A. So there we go. That's how we do this question. Thanks so much for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video and learned a lot about this difficult math problem, definitely make sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Show me some love in the comments as well. Drop any video recommendations that you might have. And also remember to follow me on TikTok. My handle username is testprep tips. We'll put that over here. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Take care.